Buyers, do you want to stand out and get your offer accepted? Recent housing trend shows that the market is about to heat up as we move into spring. To stay ahead, you will need to present a competitive and compelling offer. I am Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. Let me share some more powerful strategies to help you to secure your dream home. First, before you even start house hunting, meet with your trusted lender to confirm your financing and get fully underwritten. A basic pre-approval is good, but a fully underwritten pre-approval is a game changer. Being fully underwritten means your lender has already verified and approved your documents like pay stubs, bank statements, credit and debits, making your offer as strong as possible. This step of being fully underwritten alone shows sellers you are serious and ready to close quickly. Then there is actual cash. We have all heard the phrase that cash is the king. If you are in a position to make a full cash offer, you will be automatically stand out. A cash offer eliminates the uncertainty of a mortgage for sellers and can even speed up the closing process. But of course, not everyone is walking around with lot of cash. So if not, be sure to get that fully underwritten pre-approval. Next, you want to be flexible and strategic with your terms. Flexibility is key in competitive market. Consider sweetening your offer by being accommodating the seller's needs, whether it is a longer closing time or waiving minor contingencies. However, don't compromise too much. Contingencies like inspections, appraisals and loan approvals are your safety net. So, you want to have clarity on each one. It's all about balance. Strong offers with smart protections. All of these strategies will put you as a buyer in a better and stronger position to get your offer accepted in a competitive housing market. And remember, this market moves fast and so should you. Reach out to my team and me today so that we can guide you through every step of the process. We will show you available inventory, pricing trends, and will help you to write an offer that stands out. Me and my team are here to make your home ownership journey seamless and successful. Let us find your dream home together. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area, serving buyers and sellers with integrity and excellence. And when you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and wishing you a fantastic day ahead.